Hey. Regarding that, okay, just a moment. There are no. This is Bagheera, black one, and white one is Mowgli. And my younger son Ramakrishna Sai brought from Dallas to Seattle. We are in Seattle right now, and they both are twins. They are enjoying temptations. So this is temptations, and cats love it. So just a moment. Be patient. Be patient. I know you had non-veg sometime back. Now I am gluten. Wait. No, wait. Bagheera. Wait. Hey, come. Come. Bagheera. Mowgli. Right. This one. Right. Good. They are very happy. So let me offer them. This is that is black one is Bagheera. This is Mowgli. My goodness. Both are. This is white cat is dumb. It can't speak. The white one has both cats are really good, very lovely, but white cat is very cute and sweet, but it's numb. It's dumb. It can't speak. And another one is Bagheera, this black one. Both are good. Bagheera has got a kidney problem. My younger son spent 5 lakhs for Bagheera, and white one that is then white one that is Mowgli has asthma problem. White one is Mowgli, it has got asthma problem, and this is Bagheera, it has got kidney problem. My younger son spent 5 lakhs for the kidney of the Bagheera. This is Mowgli. Mowgli is white, cute, and it is dumb. It can't speak. That is a problem. And so I think this is the last one. Wait a moment. So I am offering for both kids. It's once in a while I offer temptations for my 2 cats, Mowgli and Bagheera. I am Professor M.S.Rao. I am a survivor of brain stroke. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your networks.